Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Wednesday, the 13th of August, and we are here at the Samal Island Davao City Connector project. It's a bridge which will look like this. And here is the bridge again. This is the connection in Davao City. It will be a 4-lane bridge, nearly 4 kilometers long. It's supposed to be toll-free. And here are some signs about what's going on. So here we come to the actual site. You see the pole already. There's the first pole of concrete. And here in the background you see Davao City. So here's the first concrete pole, which I did not see before, and there's Davao City. And 4 kilometers is the distance, and we see what has happened. This is the old road. Here will be a roundabout, and this is our another visitor driving a Mitsubishi Adventure. Thank you very much. Bye bye.